Hi everyone, it's Ira here. If you don't want to use a full page template or start from scratch, you can use the block templates. They are pre-made sections of content that you can add to your page. Blocks allow you to create pages section by section. To get access to the block templates, simply open the Visual Composer Hub and locate the block tab here. Once you're there, simply hover over any of the templates and click on the download icon. That will automatically download the template. To add the template to your page, click on the plus icon. You can also add the block templates from the template library here. If you've added the blocks to your page, every single element is customizable, as it is with any other template. There are more than 30 block templates available at the moment, including hero sections, banner blocks, and many more. And that's all you have to know about block templates. Thank you all for watching and enjoy!